We live in a world of invisible beauty. Electronics are everywhere. A mysterious life is hiding inside these black boxes. Papier Machine sheds light on it. More than a book, Papier Machine is a series of 6 experiences where electricity, paper, play and graphics meet to unveil the invisible aesthetics of electronics. It all starts with paper. You will cut it, fold it, assemble it, draw on it, build with it, and above all, you will play with it. Printed with silver ink, its possibilities are extended. While beautiful, this special ink also conducts electricity. With Papier Machine, you will bring paper to life. You will play music, mini-golf, challenge gravity. You will create a whole family of toys. With a simple button cell, a sound component, a marble roll, and your pencil. We've been working on Papier Machine for almost 3 years now. Intrigued by those black boxes around us, we started exploring our day-to-day devices, and we discovered an invisible world made of materials, graphics, and even smell. Circuits hide a surprising narrative potential that we wanted to make visible. We started a list of all the existing components and tried to rebuild them ourselves. MacGyver style. That's when we realized the potential of combining paper with electronics. We learned about conductive ink. We managed to get some and made experiments to master it. It meant testing, 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 and testing. We know circuits in a functional way. In Papier Machine, we considered them as any kind of print, so we designed them playing with colors and shapes. Our first prototype of Papier Machine received the Red Dot Design Award. Later on, thanks to the Audi Talent Award, we had the opportunity to exhibit at the Musée des Arts Décoratifs in Paris, thus testing Papier Machine's effect for the first time. With all your feedbacks, we went back to work to make this project become a real product. We made choices to reach high-quality expectations. Paper, binding, colors, reliable partners. Everything had to be perfect and industrially feasible. And here we are, ready to produce on a large scale the first volume of Papier Machine. A series of 6 interactive experiences to show electronics in a singular and accessible way. And because we believe in learning through play, Papier Machine is designed to stimulate your curiosity, and most of all, for you to have fun.
Imagine reliving your memories inside a video so vivid, it feels like you're in a time travel sci-fi. You can pause, rewind, and even slow down every moment to discover every detail you might miss the first time. Fit 360 allows you to do just that, capturing your memories in a truly immersive fashion in a way you've never experienced. Although the VR industry is burgeoning, conventional 360 cameras didn't provide the simplicity and accessibility down to a personal level to be widely accepted by users like you and I. Fit 360 addresses those problems for anyone to be able to capture their 360 experience in the simplest way possible.
It had to fit everyone, aesthetically and physically. After creating several mock-ups in different sizes and printing them on over 500 people globally to create general neck guides, we believe that we have made a product that is safe to say that we wanted to bring a new and innovative 360 video capturing experience. We're bringing a design that's beautiful, intuitive, yet offers a totally new degree of flexibility to your recording experience.
We set out to build a company that will revolutionize the way we interact with the past. We have assembled a team to solve one of the most difficult engineering challenges in wearable optical technology. And finally, we are ready to bring Fit 360 to the world.
Introducing the Mark II by Mycroft. Mycroft will wake you up.
Hey Mycroft, play my morning jams.
Playing your morning jams.
Or do simple tasks like tell you what time it is.
Hey Mycroft, what time is it?
3:15 p.m.
And all the things you would expect from a voice assistant. Things like weather.
It's 78 degrees and sunny.
Calendar.
You have a 10 a.m. team meeting.
And conversions.
There are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon.
Hey computer, remind me to get my winter clothes out of storage.
Other voice assistants can use your conversations to sell your data and send you ads. Mycroft never sells your data or sends you ads. The new screen is great for features like setting multiple timers.
Hey Mycroft, can you set another timer for 10 minutes?
Second timer started.
Nailed it.
It can have a friendly face or customize widgets. Choose your wake-up word.
Hey Mycroft.
Hey Trinity.
Hey Indigo.
Hey Victoria.
And your voice.
Hello, my name is Trinity.
Hello, my name is Mycroft.
And you can be hooked up to start multiple systems in your home with a single command.
Hey Mycroft, it's game time.
Game on.
You can see things like calendar entries, timers, even security camera feeds. We need to invest in tooling, optimize our design for manufacturing, and continue to improve the software.